Hi, to pair your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 with earbuds, as a first step, let me take my earbuds, which would be Xiaomi Redmi Buds 4, and now we need to enable pairing mode. In my case, I should just open the lid, so that indicators will be blinking white, meaning they are ready to be paired. If you have another device, just check how to enable pairing mode on your device, because sometimes there is a button you need to press, or just open the lid or take out of the case earbuds. So after we enabled pairing mode, we would need to go in the tablet settings. From here, select this first tab, connections, and choose Bluetooth. Now make sure Bluetooth is enabled here. If not, you will need to tap on this switcher to enable it, so you'll see this status on. And after that, find your earbuds in the list of available devices, and here is mine, Redmi Buds 4 active. I'm just gonna tap on it and wait for it to be paired. And now we can see this pop-up window that we need to enable pairing, so we need to accept pairing. Let's tap pair here, and now these earbuds are connected to the tablet because we can see it in the list of paired devices, and we can see the status connected for calls and audio and the battery remaining. If you would like to unpair it, you need to tap this settings icon. And here on the bottom of the display, you will see two options, disconnect and unpair. First, you can disconnect them, and then you can tap on unpair and confirm it. But after that, you need to set it up with the device once more. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.